Looking for the best uro-oncology hospitals in India? Discover the top 10 hospitals in this field who are revolutionizing healthcare. From cutting-edge treatments to exceptional patient care, these hospitals are leading the way in urology oncology. Get insights on the best hospitals for urologic cancer treatment in India in this comprehensive FAQ video. The field of urologic oncology in India has witnessed remarkable advancements in recent years, with top 10 hospitals in this field making significant contributions to the healthcare industry. These hospitals specialize in diagnosing and treating cancers of the urinary system, including the kidneys, bladder, prostate, and testicles. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai has a track record of successful urologic cancer treatments across various specialties. The hospital is equipped with advanced technology and a team of experienced urologic oncologists. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is recognized for its high success rates and innovative treatment approaches in uro-oncology. The hospital is equipped with cutting-edge technology and a team of experienced urologic oncologists. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai is renowned for its high success rates in urologic cancer treatment, particularly in complex cases. The hospital is equipped with advanced technology and a multidisciplinary team of experts. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is recognized for its expertise in delivering successful urologic cancer treatments. The institute is equipped with cutting-edge technology and a team of skilled oncologists. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore has a long-standing history of successful urologic cancer treatments and research. The Cancer Center provides comprehensive cancer care services and a supportive environment for patients. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon is known for its high success rates and advanced treatment modalities for urologic cancers. The hospital is well equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and a team of dedicated urologic oncologists. Max Healthcare, Delhi is known for its high success rates in urologic cancers treatment and patient outcomes. The hospital boasts modern facilities and a patient-centric care model. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a premier medical institution known for its exceptional outcomes in uro-oncology treatment. Aster Medcity offers cutting-edge facilities and a collaborative approach to cancer treatment. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore has a proven track record of successful urologic cancer treatments and positive patient outcomes. The hospital boasts modern infrastructure and a multidisciplinary team of uro-oncology specialists. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai is known for its expertise in complex urologic cancer cases and successful outcomes. The hospital offers advanced diagnostic and treatment facilities for comprehensive urologic cancers care. Frequently asked questions in the healthcare industry. What are the factors to consider when choosing an uro-oncology hospital in India? Success rates and outcomes, cost and affordability, reputation and trustworthiness, facilities and technology, expertise of medical professionals. What are the common treatment modalities offered by uro-oncology hospitals in India? Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy. How can patients from abroad access uro-oncology treatment in Indian hospitals? Medical tourism facilitators, international patient services offered by hospitals, online consultations with oncologists, visa assistance and travel arrangements. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in uro-oncology care in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.